Good morning, Geronimo. Today we'll work on goal number 3, mathematics accepted by committee academic. We'll work on objective number 2. By the end of 18 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, Geronimo will sort basic shapes by size, big and small, with 70% accuracy. Please take out a piece of paper. Make sure you write your name on it and number the paper from 1 through 6. All right, once the paper is numbered from 1 through 6, Geronimo will identify which is the smaller shape of the two. I will help him with number 1, which are the circles. Geronimo will point at the first or the second circle, whichever he thinks is the smallest. So, for example, number 1, the first circle is smaller. So for number 1, you will put 1. Number 2 is the pentagon. Number 3 is the green cylinders. Number 4 are the red arrows. Number 5 are the orange stars. Number 6 are the yellow lightnings. So Geronimo will choose the smaller ones of them all. So if it's the first one, it's 1. If it's the second one, it's 2. So his paper will be from 1 through 6, either 1 or 2 for an answer. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. Upon completion, please send me a picture and I will upload it to Geronimo's file if you cannot do so on Teams. Thank you.